In today's video, I will be describing the Pearson Vue trick. Does it still work? How does it work? How do you do it? I'm going to be doing it step by step. Hello, Busy Bees. Welcome to Nursing with Professor B. My name is Bridget. I have a master's degree in nursing education. I'm also a nurse practitioner. I make videos on health, wealth, and wellness. If that's something that you're interested in, make sure you hit the like button, make sure that you subscribe, and make sure you turn on that notification bell. If you hear thunder, it's because I'm in Florida and the weather just changes like this. 1 minute sunny, next minute you got thunder and a hurricane. So anyways, congratulations, you passed nursing school and now you took your Nclex and you're freaking out because it was so hard and you don't know if you passed or not. I was once there. Trust me, I feel you. It's rough. Without further ado, let's get started. What you are going to need is some kind of credit card, debit card, prepaid card. You need that. So go grab that and let's do this together. All right, step number 1, you need to go to pearsonvue.com. P as in pear, EARSON, V as in Victor, UE.com. All right, I recommend using Google Chrome. I tried to use Safari and I had issues with Safari. Remember, you already took the Nclex, so you're going to redo that whole process again. You're going to go for test takers, schedule an exam. Now, the theory behind this is if it lets you schedule an exam, then sorry, you failed. If it doesn't let you schedule an exam, yay, you passed. When you get here, ready, set, test, type the name or acronym of your testing organization. I'm going to type Nclex. Nclex Examination, National Council of State Boards of Nursing. You need to register if you haven't registered, or you can sign in. I'm going to sign in because I already have an account. Here you will enter your username and your password. So do that and let's go to the next. When you get here, you're going to start the registration process. I am seeking licensure registration in the US if you're in the United States or Australia, and you pick this one if you're in Canada. I'm in the United States, so obviously I picked that one. We are taking the RN one. Now we get to this screen. The price of the exam is $200. No worries, you're not going to be charged. Well, you won't be charged if you passed and if you do the tips I'm going to show you. Remember, you already took the Nclex. You're seeing if you want to know if you passed. So have you ever taken an Nclex exam before? Yes, you have. Have you ever taken an Nclex exam to qualify for the same license? Yes. Have you ever taken an Nclex exam to qualify for a different license? No. And then you're going to put in your country, your state, and then your program. So let's say, and then you're going to select the country, United States. I will pick Florida because that's where I live. So you put United States, Florida, whatever state you live, and then you can search. And this is what would not work with Safari. This drop down, these pop-ups didn't work, and that's what will work in Google Chrome. So you have to select the school that you went to. So you select that. And then when did you graduate from your nursing program? What is your ethnic group? I'm Hispanic. Select the nursing regulatory body from which you are seeking licensure, and it's whatever state you're in. So Florida Board of Nursing. Next. All right, so this is the moment of truth, guys. This is the moment of truth. And I was actually really nervous the first time I tried this because I was like, I do not want to get charged $200. So I will give you a few tips so that you don't get charged $200. Well, first, if you have some kind of, I have a Verizon gift card that I got from when I opened an account with them. They're not what's the word? They're not sponsoring this video, but I've had several carriers, and by far I have the best reception with Verizon. And as a nurse practitioner, it's very important for me to be able to access the internet when I'm with patients in case I need to check the latest evidence-based guidelines. So you're going to put in, I won't show you this again because I still have a little bit of money left on this gift card. I think I only have like $30 left on this gift card. But anyways, so trust me, if you have a gift card, it's better because then, whatever. But what you can do is, if you have your regular credit card, is change the expiration date. So put everything as it should be and change your expiration date. You will not be charged if you pass the Nclex. And if you did not pass the Nclex, then you should not be charged because you put the wrong expiration date. But anyways, here we go. I'll show you the next screen after I input all the information. So for security purposes, I'm blocking out the last 4 numbers of the credit card. I don't know how to block things out, how to blur things out. Anyways, that would be something if you guys know how to do that. So anyways, so I'm almost there. I'm on the screen and then I'm about to hit next, right? I also did enter in an incorrect address. So I entered in the wrong expiration date and also a wrong address. Because again, I didn't want to be charged, even though I wouldn't have been able to afford the exam on that card because I only have $30 on it. So here we go. So what you're actually pressing is submit order. So I'm going to, and my heart always drops when I press submit order because again, I'm like, I don't want to be charged $200. So if you get this message, then yay, I don't drink, but pop the champagne bottles, right? So our records indicate that you have recently scheduled this exam. Another registration cannot be made at this time. So not 100% certainty, but if you don't get this message, it's most likely 90% chance that you failed. And hopefully by changing the expiration date and the address, they wouldn't have charged your card and they would have said like, hey, there's a mistake in regards to your information. But for most people, this is accurate. One of my students actually, the reason why I'm doing this video is because one of my students, Sierra, shout out to you, or one of my ex-students, she took the exam and she's like, hey, how accurate is the Pearson Vue trick? Because I tried it and it wouldn't let me register again. I'm like, it's pretty accurate. So, I mean, again, I took this exam 2011. Obviously, I can't register because I am licensed. And my students, their feedback is it works. So there you have it, the Pearson Vue trick, step by step. Thank you so much for watching. Drop in the comment below if the Pearson Vue trick for you and like how accurate it was for you. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure that you subscribe, and make sure you turn on that notification bell. Until next time.